Hi, I'm Vicky Jain, CEO of Convergence Services, and I am here to brief you about our product Unova, which is an extensible enterprise collaboration tool. Let me just take you through the problem statement which we are aiming to solve. There are many organizations which require many softwares and IT tools to run their processes smoothly, like HRM, CRM, etc. And there are many vendors also out there which cater this kind of requirement. They have their own HRM developed, they have their own CRM, etc. developed. But the problem is everything is scattered. Now, what do I mean by scattered? Like there is a company which wants an HRM. It goes to a vendor A. It has got HRM from vendor A. Then from vendor B, it has got an accounting system. So everything is very much scattered, and that creates problems. Like first problem is single sign-on. Every other system I have to log in separately. So it becomes difficult for me as the user of the system to log in separately into different systems every now and then. Integration becomes a problem. Integration, this has its own database, this system has its own database, they cannot integrate, and if at all I want them to integrate and use some kind of data, I have to connect to the vendors. So basically integration is vendor dependent. If the vendor is able to do it, I can actually achieve it, or I cannot. Third is scalability. If I want to add more systems or add more tools in my company, I have to look for vendors. I have to find out who, or even if I want to add something in my existing system, I have to connect to my vendor, tell him, okay, boss, this is my requirement, and then he might be able to do it, or he might not be able to do it. If he can do it, if he is not able to do it, I'll have to connect to some other vendor. So the entire process repeats again. Data mining becomes a problem because for each system they have their own data, and I cannot mine the complete system as a whole. I can obviously pull out reports for HRM from the HRM, accounting system from accounts, and CRM reports from CRM, and then converge everything and then pull out a report. So data mining becomes very difficult, and vendor availability also is a problem. Like if there is a system which the current vendor is not willing to provide support, then I have to look for some other vendor, and maintenance becomes a problem. So these all problems, actually what they do not let me control all these systems, which are actually a very important part of my organization. So I as a company am losing out on control. So that is where Unova comes into picture. Unova, as I said, is an extensible enterprise collaboration tool. So let me just break it up and explain what exactly is extensible enterprise collaboration. So enterprise collaboration tool. Enterprise collaboration tool is a tool which provides a platform for seamless communication within the enterprise, wherein I can and it also provides capabilities like sharing of knowledge, documents within my colleagues, within my enterprise. So how do I make it extensible? Like for example, I have an instance of Unova. I have a certain set of predefined features, which is instant messaging system, document repository system, knowledge management system, and I want to go for an HRM. I want an HRM to be plugged into my system. So I can just go to my Unova, check for any add-ons available. I find an HRM add-on available, I just plug it into my system. So it is that simple. So I call it an extensible enterprise collaboration system. So let's see how actually this solves all my problems. I obviously have single sign-on because everything is under one roof now of Unova. All HRM, CRM, project management, everything with one single sign-on. Everything is integrated because it resides in the same system. Scalability is not a problem for me because I can find any new, as per my requirement, I can find any new add-on. Just like you can find any new Android app or Mozilla add-on in your browser. Data mining, again, since the system is totally integrated, it is very simple to do. Vendor availability, actually for the customer, Unova is the only vendor they have to deal with. They have a requirement, they go to the add-on store, they find something. If they do not find something of their requirement, they just connect to us, and we can develop a custom application for them. So that is about Unova. For more details, you can just log on to our website, which is www.unova.com. It is uknowea.com. That's it. Thank you.